Good morning guys and welcome back to a new video. So we're at the track at Jevnaker today and this weekend also. So it will be a lot of riding and less of me talking. So for you motocross guys, this will be nice. So hope you will enjoy and just going to get ready to ride a little bit now. So yeah, I can just do like this. Looking good. Ready to go riding. So yeah, let's do it. Good day at the track. Was a bit wet, but in the end it was pretty good. Just going to eat some and edit some now. everything today, and just got to my grandma and grandpa, and going to eat something and going to eat some pizza or something. We usually do like this every Sunday possible, and yeah, it's very nice to meet and greet. So that's it for today, guys, and so I hope you liked the video, and see you guys in the next video.